are at Belltown Fire Station. It's the fire department. She wants to look at the fire trucks. So Kanak, are you excited? And Kanak is super excited about visiting here. We are waiting for the guy who's going to show us. Fire truck, and this one is which color? White.
Yeah, white. It's not your usual red. It's cool.
Yeah. See?
See? You want to go up?
Inside? Yeah, let's climb up.
You want a boost or you want to get up yourself?
You will be able to go by yourself? You need mommy's help. Come on, let's look in. What's there? You can climb up here. Put your legs up.
Right? There we go.
Climb up. It's a very big one.
There's a seat. Yeah, you can go up. It's no big
Daddy,
deal.
if you want to sit there, you sit, and I can send Kanak behind. Wow.
Sometimes it's easier if they got more places.
Yeah, climb up.
What do you find there?
I should come up too?
Yeah.
Okay, mommy is looking for the place where mommy can put her foot up. Whoa, mommy has never been to see a fire truck before. This is mommy's first time too.
This is all their tools up here.
Whoa, see the tools?
See? You want to see one of the tools?
Yes.
Yeah?
Let's see what's inside. It's a heavy tool.
What do we
Great.
do with this?
See? One of the tools. So we can use this if we need to open a door.
Oh,
So you can go and put it in the little latch between the door and you can go and you can pull it. Use the axe too. Always put them together because they're a nice combo.
Yeah. So you can touch it, see how
See?
strong it is.
Yeah.
see, can I see? It's made of metal. See?
It's all metal
Yeah.
and steel and iron.
Pretty cool, right?
Did you see the axe? See.
See? The axe is
Big
pretty-
axe. Yeah. See this side? See this side? Ooh.
And what's this one?
That's actually the exhaust for the engine, yeah.
Oh,
All right, these are the air packs, so that holds all our air for them, yep. So we have two that are there, and then there's two little seats there. So it's pretty cool, huh?
This is our ladder truck, so that's a ladder that goes 75 feet up in the air.
Oh wow.
And we can spray 1,000 gallons from there.
you want to get down?
75 feet.
Yeah.
You can get down? Okay, let mommy get down. Yeah, I will be. Don't worry.
And then we can flow 1,000 gallons from there.
And where do they get the water from?
So it comes in from
The tank?
right where your bike's standing, right there, that red fitting, and gets pumped up. Let's go 75. Or we can even go down to below.
What do you want to see?
How often does it go out?
So it used to go out a lot more, but we just got it back about
Here we go
a
now.
year ago.
Yeah.
So it really doesn't go anywhere that much anymore, unless we get fire calls or if it's special requests.
Yeah.
So like we'll go downtown a lot or up north. But most of this covers our district.
Yeah.
And then we have two engines. So one holds 500 gallons of water, one holds 750. About give us 3 minutes of working time. And then we have a rescue truck.
See, that's the rescue truck. Yeah, this one is the rescue truck.
So this is the only one that, in the whole city that you can walk in. So basically 4 firefighters,
Do you
Go
want to
here.
walk in and see?
they get dressed in here. They have special tools in here.
It's fun back there. Bouncy, but fun.
Kanak, do you want to come
Yeah, come on, let's go.
and sit here? Be a firefighter?
Yeah, climb up. Climb up?
See?
Yeah, I'm
So
coming.
nice.
Go.
So basically 4 firefighters get dressed back here. This is a special truck that's got all our special tools. There's only 4 of these in the city.
Oh.
Want rescue?
City, Long Ridge,
True.
Turner.
Long Ridge
So basically it fills these bottles right here.
Yeah.
Oh, see, the bottles are here.
Not that one.
These are older.
These are our old bottles. These are newer bottles. You can see the difference.
Yeah.
They're, so this will get us about 45 minutes. This will get us 30 minutes.
Oh.
Electric. Carry it, you feel the extra weight, but like if you're carrying it in your hand, but when you're going on your back, you don't really notice it. It feels about the same.
Can I just pick it up
Yeah.
and see that how heavy it is?
This is only the bottle.
Yeah.
But when it's there,
Not full of air.
Yeah, that's empty. But
Want
this
to
is.
touch it, see?
is it heavy?
Yeah, it is. Yeah,
This
it
is with all the air.
So that gives us 45 minutes of working time. And then we have to get out of the building.
Carry it there.
like
and carry it right
oxygen
here too.
tank?
That's exactly what it is.
Wow, that's heavy.
Yeah.
How do you wear that heavy?
So
Like
all together we were about 75 just with no tools.
Yeah.
Of 75 pounds with no tools.
Just this itself is really, it just feels like a really heavy backpack. You know, if you're lugging across campus and going carrying all your textbooks, this is really what this is.
Yeah.
To make it, you're going to be sweating, but you can make it.
Costume. How heavy is your uniform?
So like the uniform, everything without tools is about 75 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah. But it's not like you're carrying I can carry like 75 pounds in my arms. I can carry, but it's
Fully
distributed.
distributed.
Yeah, so it doesn't. That's like a really heavy backpack, and once you have
Yeah,
everything
it
on,
is.
you feel it, but it's not like you have one spot where it's carrying all the weight. So it's usually when you add on the tools, and if you're carrying hose, then it starts to get heavy.
So what about your shoes and everything? They're also fireproof?
Yeah. So
Fire retardant.
yeah.
So they're not fireproof. They only give us about,
Sometimes.
depending on what kind of fire.
Yeah.
Depending on the fire and the conditions, this can give us about 1,000 degrees, I believe.
There's nothing. We humans don't have something that's completely fireproof.
Yeah.
You know.
If we're in there for a long time and we're supposed to
That's
enough,
yeah. It's
it'll catch.
yeah.
That's the pride we take in our helmets.
Yeah.
Kanak, you want to put it on your
One
head,
helmet
is it?
alone, so that one's like $400 to $500. But that one right there with that gentleman's on the left, this one right here, it's about $700. But it's handmade,
Yeah.
so it's just tradition
And what it is made up of?
leather.
Yeah.
But it's hand customized, and then we customize it to whatever we like it to be. What makes this truck special? So basically, we have our jaws of life, we call it. We call it the spreader, the cutters, and the ram. So this basically goes like this. This cuts like big scissors, and this spreads. This is basically what we use to get off.
So I remember
Yeah.
how earlier I was saying, like, if you're trying to get into a door, in a house, you wedge that handle in there. That's doing that, but on a car, and a lot more power to it.
And then here, so we do a lot of medical calls. Most of our calls are
Yeah, we have
EMS.
seen that.
So we have the symbol, and then, so if you don't know this machine,
You always know that's where medical stuff is. Do we still have the teddy bear in there, or did we finally get rid of it? We got rid of it.
so basically this is what we carry into a medical call.
We used to have
Basic-
one in there.
From Band-Aids to oxygen to a defibrillator, which every school has now as well.
Yeah.
That makes up a good majority of our calls.
Yeah. You can always come back.
How big the wheels are?
Yeah, we always
see?
pass by and then he's excited, like, let's go there. And
Yeah,
today,
last week while we were crossing here weekend, and she saw someone sitting out and we waved, so someone responded. So she is telling that, okay, now let's go back. And the whole week she kept bothering us that Take us, take us.
Yeah.
We're always here. Do you guys live around here?
Yes.
That's how the red truck comes. So I have seen in couple of apartments, then when they have something to spray water or things. So which one is that? I don't see it.
So this is our ladder truck. So basically, everything that we have here is the same thing as the red trucks.
Yeah.
So we're in our
They have-
district. It's just white.
So from where do they spray water?
Yeah.
You can follow me. So basically here we have our two engines. This is where we spray our water out.
Okay.
So this yellow line right here is where we get the water from the hydrant, which we carry 1,000 feet of that. We hook it up to the hydrant. It gives us water. Right now we have 750 gallons of water without hooking up to a fire hydrant.
Which sounds like a lot, but really isn't.
Correct.
Is
It'll
it?
probably get us about
Yes.
3
Yeah.
minutes. 3 minutes is about it.
This may get us a little more. You may get.
Yeah.
That's 3.
That one I got a lot of
So
time at.
whenever you go to any place, we see that those posts are there, the red one, which says that it is the fire post. So you
Oh,
all
the connection.
Yeah.
The
so
big
you all,
building.
yeah. So you all hook these things to them for water.
Correct. We would hook up these.
Yeah.
This is 3-inch hose, we call it.
Okay.
And those red things, which is called an FDIC, a fire department connection, is
Yeah.
either a sprinkler, or it's
Stand.
for the standpipe.
Yeah.
So basically in the stairwell, they have big pipes.
Yeah.
And we take,
No, but on roadside I see they are red pipes with 2 outlets.
yep, same thing.
Yeah.
Just
same
it's, so the building's here, and the pipe will be about here, so it's just for us to hook up faster.
Okay.
Different locations. What else?
Some of them can get. Yeah, let me see. I have one.
Axes, we have 2 different axes. Closet hook, a little small one for when we get in closets. Wire cutter and bolt cutter. So the difference between these are they're insulated, so they don't get electrocuted.
It's not going to make any sound. See? The big hoses?
Huge.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so this
big
is the hose
pipes
we
and
use to hook up
hoses.
the fire hydrant.
Yeah.
So huge hose.
And then this right here is what we carry into like a high-rise fire.
Yeah.
Big apartment building. This is what we carry out on top of our other tools.
So where I go to school, when I'm walking.
What is this one?
That tank
Okay,
you were
when-
holding,
yeah.
we hook it up. We have individuals. We hook it up when we go to the call. And this is what we breathe from.
Yes.
Okay.
So remember how you were talking about like the connection?
Yeah.
So where I go to school in Pennsylvania. This is one of the.
Pool or a pond.
Okay.
So up north, there's not a lot of fire hydrants. So we just have dedicated trucks that just bring water, nothing else.
Okay.
Those hold about 2,500, somewhere in that gallon a minute.
Yeah, it depends where you're coming from.
I don't know what turnover is.
I mean, some places even.
Yeah. So
Some in New York State that have no hydrants will carry like 500
So
gallons.
now I see this pipe connected to your fire truck. What's that one?
That's for exhaust. So
yeah. So basically, the diesel. So these are all diesel
Okay.
vehicles. So they just eject bad emissions.
Yeah.
So we put that on, and as soon as it senses that we're in the area, it'll start sucking, and it'll go straight up
Okay.
with a
It's pretty
filter
cool.
on it. So it cleans the environment as well.
Let's see.
pretty cool, right?
Yes.
There you go. It's
What do you
yours.
need to say? You need to say?
You're welcome.
So you
Come
got
back
a
anytime.
firefighting hat.
You
Can
want
you
to put it?
can you
You
put?
want to put and show it to daddy?
Turn
Ooh,
around.
Turn around. Yeah.
so exciting.